Hey everyone, another quick video today. I'm going to show you how to replace the window switch in any 1998 to 2009 Saab 9.5. Now, this one's okay, but there are actually 3 different generations of window switch. This one, which was on the first cars up until 2004, then there was one from 2005 to 2008 that looked like this, but had a little window lockout icon here. And then there's this, which is the 2009 only model. This particular car is a 2007, so I'm not sure where this guy came from, but I found this in a junkyard, so I figured let's go ahead and replace it with something of the Dame Edna era. So best way to do this, just need your new switch. Take some coins out of the coin holder, then this should peel up and out like that. We'll put it to the side, and what you're going to want to do is feel underneath the switch and push up on it. Now it's a little bit helpful to use 2 hands here, but you can see it just comes right out. And on the underside of the harness is the clip. So I've rotated around. What you're going to want to do is push in on this and pull out, but be mindful that there's a piece, kind of like a tooth, that hooks into this hole. So you're not going to be able to just pull the wire straight out. You're going to have to pull and then rotate it. So let's see if I can get a good angle of that. So you need 2 hands, but I pushed it on this clip and then pulled, and you'll see how it levers now onto this. So just kind of spin it around, and then that should release. So now we take the old one, put it to the side. And what's nice about all 3 generations is that they're compatible in any 9.5. So just make sure you see this bottom end with the circle is where that tab rocks into, and then we push it back together. So I hooked it in there to show you, and then it latches in. And then just pushes, and then the tab here will grab, and then simply, before you push it in, it's always a good idea to test and make sure that any new switch you get out of a junkyard works. So, moment of truth. All right, that's a good sign. So now it just pushes back into place. You should hear it, feel it clip, nice and smooth. I already like the way that looks a lot better. Take your coin holder, drop that guy back in. Any coins you threw out, then you're done. You've got a brand new window switch. If this was helpful, like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more little quick fixes like this.